riding the Rancher 420 around. Very awesome. But yeah, we're riding our little Rancher 420 two-wheel drive. I'm taking fish food back to the fish pond. So yeah, not very of a awesome video really, but just doing the first test on the GoPro Hero 4. And yeah, it's kind of weird not having a phone in my hand videoing and actually talking and not having to use one hand to do everything. So that's kind of nice. I have the GoPro editing app, and because some damn fool's ATV mentioned that, and I really didn't know anything about it, but I tried it out. Like, I was just kind of doing this just then. I realized that. I was kind of going like that with my hand. I'm so used to holding my, like, videoing like this, holding the phone. It's very weird and not showing my face right now lots of times. But probably a lot of y'all enjoy that because probably most people don't want to look at my face. But yeah, this is just a little crappy video. But I'm gonna be figuring out how the GoPro editing app works. I kind of figured out some of it right now, but as you can see right now, I'm feeding fish. So yeah, nothing really too crazy going on right now. But yeah, I guess got a little bit more left in here. But yeah, I'm just literally doing this just for a test video. But on Friday, we're going to Creekside Off-Road Ranch, and we are going to be I'm bringing the Foreman 450. I gotta get it cleaned up first though. It's a mess. From that mud hole back there, oh, it's a mess. It's a mess. But yeah, I'm about to end this video here, just like a little update and just kind of see what my video looks like when I upload it. Alright guys, so this is a little first GoPro upload video, update video, or first GoPro upload. And alright guys, that's it for today. Oh yeah, that's it for today. So this is the GoPro Hero 4, and I'll be using it on Friday when we go to Creekside. So alright guys, peace.